How to send SMS reminders to Wix Bookings customers. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can automate the SMS reminders to your clients via SMS. The process is not going to be directly from Wix, but we need the help of a third-party app or platform, which is going to be Zapier, since here we are going to create an automation and all the SMS marketing and also the email marketing apps. I have tried them all for the integration with Wix, but I haven't got the right automation or the workflow. So we're going to head over our Wix website. Then we are going to select the website that we want to set up this reminder to. We make sure that everything is in order. Also, the booking, as you can see, calendar is here. So we are going to add the catalog for the booking services. You need to have here at least some booking services set up. And then if we are going to visit the automation, you're not going to see any type of SMS, but you are going to head over Zapier and create a zap. So we are going to create a zap, and that zap is going to be Send SMS Reminders as the title of the video to Wix Booking Customers. Just like that. Customers. So we're going to launch this Copilot prompt. Then here Zapier is going to give us the right, as you can see, start. So we are going to see here that we have the option of SMS by Zapier. Also, we have Twilio, we have Brevo, we have a lot of options that we can automate. Here, the automation is not going to be perfect on the, let's say here, the other platforms, but it is going to be near. But I would like to head over here and add the actions or triggers. For the trigger, I'm going to click on Wix. Here, first, you need to sign in into your Wix account. Select the website that you want to launch this campaign for. Then you are going to simply to see this. The trigger event is going to be booking, obviously. For the configuration, you're going to put here appointment or class updated. And then you're going to see, for example, here, which service is going to be triggered by this zap. So you can go ahead and click on a specific, or you can go ahead and set up the all, for example. Then you're going simply to see set up everything. So here I'm going to put here, for example, we have the static. So I'm going to put here as you can see here, a specific one. So I'm going to select here the service. For example, here we have the resume review. I have selected a specific one because it is going to give us here more options. So we are going to select the service, professional resume, or I don't know, here you are going to select all of these. Then you are going to click on continue. Then for the SMS is going to be here sent by Zapier. So we are going to sign in into your Zapier, as you can see, and then you are going to set up everything. So here I'm going to head over the specific trigger use for the Wix. I'm going to change something that the session is going to be start. So we are going to get the notion of time. So as you can see here, time before, or the time before here, for example, days. 1 day it is going to send an SMS, and then we're going to head over the SMS by Zapier. So you're going simply to test the trigger, and it is going to be in here. So send an SMS, and that SMS is going to be configured. So we are going to configure after you have set up your Zapier account, and just like that. So you are going to precise the SMS just right there. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.